Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best PS5 headsets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. PS5 Pulse 3D Wireless Headset. The official PS5 Pulse 3D headset by Sony is a compelling offering at its price point, making it a noteworthy choice for PlayStation gamers. Visually, it seamlessly complements the PS5 with its matching black and white aesthetic, creating a sleek and cohesive design. The on-cup controls, although made of plastic, are neatly integrated, enhancing the headset's overall appeal. While it may not exude a premium feel due to its plastic construction, it maintains a competitive edge in its mid-range category. One of its standout features is its implementation of the Tempest 3D audio tech, making it a front-runner for delivering the PS5's immersive 3D audio experience. The inclusion of microphone monitoring adds practicality to the headset, allowing users to hear their own voice during communication. Number 2. SteelSeries Arctis 7P Plus Wireless. This SteelSeries Arctis 7P Plus claims the top spot as the best PS5 headset, offering a compelling combination of exceptional audio quality, robust construction, extended battery life, and a reasonable price point at $169.99/£174.99/$419. Boasting the same 40mm audio drivers found in the flagship Arctis Pro model, this console-centric headset consistently delivers impressive clarity and rich sound across various games, including those supporting Sony's 3D audio technology. The headset's performance extends beyond gaming to music, showcasing its versatility and audio prowess. With a focus on price-to-performance ratio, the Arctis 7P Plus stands out as an easy top choice for those seeking the best overall PS5 headset in the current market. Number 3. SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1X. This SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1X emerges as a noteworthy budget option for the PS5, offering a compelling performance with an affordable price tag of $57.82. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the headset delivers solid performance across various aspects without significant compromises. The design of the Arctis Nova 1X maintains a minimalist approach, with a lightweight build, 236 grams/0.52 pound, for comfortable gaming sessions. It connects directly to the DualSense controller via 3.5mm connection, and the cable offers sufficient length for convenience during play. While the build quality may not match the higher-end models from SteelSeries, the headset features memory foam cups, a retractable microphone, and utilizes the same 40mm drivers found in the flagship models. Number 4. Epos H3. The Epos H3 stands out as a compelling choice for the best wired PS5 headset, offering consistent audio quality at an affordable price of $99.99/£89/$129. The headset features a straightforward design with an all-black color scheme and a robust build. The stainless steel height adjustment mechanism operates smoothly, providing a comfortable fit with well-hugging ear cups that avoid excessive tightness. The non-detachable microphone may be a point of contention for some users. Epos adopts a no-frills approach in terms of features, opting for simplicity. The headset utilizes a 3.5mm jack, allowing easy connection to the DualSense controller or other compatible devices without the need for proximity to the console. The audio performance of the Epos H3 is characterized by a clean sound profile. Number 5. Razer Kraken Kitty V2 Pro. The Razer Kraken Kitty V2 Pro may seem expensive for a fully wired gaming headset on the PS5, but its audio quality and unique style make it a worthwhile investment. Sporting a distinctive pink color scheme, also available in black/green, the headset stands out with Razer's signature RGB chroma lighting and magnetic animal ears that can be swapped for a customizable look. Beneath its cute aesthetic, the Razer Kraken Kitty V2 Pro boasts impressive gaming capabilities, featuring 50mm Tri-Force titanium drivers known for exceptional performance. The headset provides a high level of comfort, making it suitable for extended gaming sessions or streaming. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.